Hey e-bikers! For a while now, I've been playing around with various bags to put on my e-bike's rear rack. I've tried using various old bags with makeshift straps and even other rack bags, but they don't strap on easily and/or fit correctly on the rack. So I was pretty happy to try out this compact and seemingly easy to use rear rack bag. It's the Big Mama rack bag from Bikase. If you're looking for a quality, perfectly sized yet spacious trunk bag for your electric bike, this might just be the perfect fit. First and foremost, the Big Mama bike bag is constructed from 600 denier polyester, which is durable and long-lasting. It actually feels like it'll protect my gear. With dimensions of 12 by 7 by 7.5 inches and a volume of 550 cubic inches, it's slightly smaller than Bikase's Big Daddy rack bag, but still provides ample storage space for all your essentials. I'm about to show you just what you can fit into the Big Mama. First, I do want to make sure you don't miss the eBiking Today 15% off discount link in the description below the video. Now, let's see how much you can carry with the Big Mama rack bag. Don't have a water bottle holder? Don't worry, there's plenty of room for your favorite eco-friendly bottle. One of the standout features of this trunk bag is the top mesh pocket, which is perfect for quick access to items you need on the go. The side zipper pockets are also a great addition, providing more organized storage options, like for your credit card or bike tools. Further, I appreciate the added safety touches. The Bikase Big Mama rack bag shows up with side and rear reflective accents. These will improve visibility during low light conditions, helping you stay safe on the road. Plus, carrying the bag off your e-bike is a breeze, thanks to the convenient handle. And when it's time to secure the bag to your bike, you'll appreciate the front and bottom straps as much as I do. These strong Velcro straps make attaching the bag to the rack hassle-free. So here's what I think. The Big Mama rack bag from Bikase is a versatile and durable option for cyclists in need of a reliable storage solution, but who don't need huge panniers hanging over the side. With its spacious design, multiple pockets, and safety features, it's an excellent choice for weekend rides and daily use. In fact, I'll be keeping the Big Mama on my electric bike, so it's easy to throw in my gear for my end-of-day rides. Sorry, but your helmet won't fit. So, gear up and hit the road with the Bikase Big Mama rack bag. And stay tuned for other reviews and special offers on the best baskets, bags, and panniers for your riding occasion. Now, enjoy your ride.